GOLDBOD issue, I feel they are legitimate questions that we need answers to.
Right.
May catch on a GOLDBOD through upon a buy. Misata ko India, they looked at the variance. Say, Obeko India book normal to gold 7 million, Obeba Ghana PMMC, 3 million. There was a difference.
Yeah, smuggle.
And the GOLDBOD needs to keep smuggling. Now, a centralized focus and then I feel there are some legitimate questions. For example, we have Bower Rock issues in Bayana. Where the documents are so far in the public and then your joy is Bower there. And then your joy is Bower and a bar BMO critique.
But that
the
was
company
the
was in the system from 2015.
Sure.
Or more activities need to be registered general. Some include mining, precious mineral operation, farm, and the other. So that brought clarity on the matter. Mimi who ninety I do politics, data and science, the NPP data and DC data. Data is data.
Right.
Now, what's your major fear? Unsa day me catch us says, see the stabilize, no be anyone or praise by me and MPP are wrong. Some major fee said the same thing on news file. Or say process one more in 2022 gold for reserve no more twaso. Okay, answer one can. Okay.
Yeah.
And say program no. Is set with the Bank of Ghana. So the GOLDBOD process is somewhere in it doesn't sit with PMMC or now GOLDBOD. It's set with Bank of Ghana. Therefore, the inference is that if there are losses, the loss will certainly sit with Bank of Ghana. But the simple layman question is that mean to go and tongo de mocha. So whatever process, whether premium, whatever, a massa $214 as reported with the IMF, the normal kind of trading losses.
Yeah,
you must reduce it or eradicate it. Going to mean tone gold a tone eboka. So whether it's a trading loss or a commercial loss, we need to minimize it or eradicate it.
Sure.
For me, that is the most important thing.
Sure.
Then the GOLDBOD so making sure say akokwa ne wo ye bia no. Or ye na fenchem.
Which is transparency.
Or say auditor general, ebe ye omo audit. And I think say they audit by March ebeba. Because or say Sika Bank of Ghana they come out. You see now some major fee and I am something food soldiers no month yes no around it. Be cancer ba mi on ade na akofa ba mi be. Ba wo some major fee na be kan TV so the same thing America na. Or say Sika Bank of Ghana the man so to gold in Ghana or the Ama Bank of Ghana back in the equivalence of gold.
Why an account the amano?
Or the revenue about almost 960 million Ghana cedis. The expenditure 120 million. Meaning that when you surplus of Obeka surplus of profit is when you fast 720 780 million. Auditor General audit never in
yeah.
But the issue is that maybe a case a gold for reserve now no more twice. That clarity has been established.
Okay.
2. Sir 214 trading losses. How is it being occasioned? I see a hushim. And then as 214 go yen tongo de moka and tossum. No single explanation before bekebe na tossum. Yen tobu ni yiwa. Because akokwa ye can at the time a gold prices where you turn the diamonds they say they been see now. These are
that's $4,000.
Yes, a kosro. So the Bank of Ghana must be explaining to us. And they be make us see ya NPP and this na Bank of Ghana no ejane. By now no IMF no sabe enya IMF na betna US.
But what we should also be looking at is a cabin.
And I make us say IMF says it's a trading loss.
Right.
Trading loss basically means that we did January and at the end of the cycle no yaboka 214 for a period. And I make us say how can able to the Bank of Ghana should be explaining to us how did the trading loss occur? One, my catch was a gold price.
You also agree, say when IMF talk about losses, it also look at revenue generation. Say KBS say esotia. You also classify it as losses.
And I make us say at the time a gold price say double. It doesn't make sense. What are 5 cedis? say at the end the Germans you turn 20 cedis.
But then best establishing is say you case ya boka. It is say bia adi ebia me fan say 1,000 Ghana to say them dey example say me nko didwa. Me call you no me buy no 1,000 Ghana na medru. Me di bia 800 cedis na aba. And no dey capital no kra me de call you no. Ma boka ye literally ni ha sa na enim ka no. But who estimate say revenue ya be nya to say German so dia wo dey kai say o me de 1,000 na eko. Meba no na say menya 1,002. But me buy no menya bi 1,001. 1,000 na me de call you no. Eye intact. Say sika no ayede ma me say me nkoye you know. Me more ka wo so. But the esen ka menya no menya in a way I've made a loss of 100 cedis. That's 1,002. The IMF recognized that as also what a loss. And that is why when it comes to this way now, I say you explain it to say obi ama ni sika no ya hwere anase men kan say obi agi o mani sika akoshe no.
That's what I'm saying.
And yes, it's akoshe.
No, that's
but
what
I'm can faso mu ka.
No man, right. That's exactly what I'm explaining.
Yeah, established, right.
No, that's exactly the point. I'm saying that the IMF says there's a trading loss. Trading loss basically means that at the end of a trading process, and there's a loss. That's the point I'm making.
Sure.
So I'm saying that the Bank of Ghana, instead of MPP and DC, you just say 2 months ago, say currency now stabilizing. The gold for reserve policy in account. So if indeed the gold for reserve policy necessitates the Bank of Ghana, it shouldn't be MPP and DC. The Bank of Ghana should be explaining to us how say 214 at the end of a trading cycle. By the end of a month, they say 1,000, 900 Ghana cedis. 100 cedis na yiran kwantano. Nipa no ne dwedie because some fika no news wa say near GOLDBOD do ye bi an agency fee and a Bank of Ghana tuama wom. Me bo an answer me. What I say? So GOLDBOD no is an intermediary.
Yeah.
The main person doing the trade is the Bank of Ghana. Therefore, Mr. Esiama should be explaining to us also by now say 214 trading losses classified by IMF. Then they buy it. That is my point.
Yeah.
Because at the end of the trading cycle, Skabia Rusu and Nancy Lucia, no achim.
Right.
Yamasa Major physical saying or the coy. At the end of the cycle, no saying the buyer, saying Yadima GOLDBOD and Saturday. Almost some agency fee. Saying your chairman miners and your tardy or mono. Saying your chairman aggregators. Saying your chairman tier suppliers. No, you really no. Yan Fason IMF can and cre. But what near Ramon say? IMF will only report on a country based on the data from the country. I can make an answer here. So it's something that we need to explore.
Sure. Eugene Osei-Tutu and out in Kanoma. I mean, Honorable Emmanuel Kwesi